Hello everyone, look at this. To many people, this is just a screen, but to me, it is magic. I go to school from my home. I wear my white dress. My classroom is in my house, but my friends are everywhere. Some are near, some are far away. Even in different countries, still we are one big family. We learn together, we laugh together, we grow together. Many people ask me, is your teacher real? And I say yes. My teacher is my superhero. She helps me when I make mistakes. She teaches me with love. She is not only the screen, she is my heart. Today we are all here in the UA. This shows something very important. Technology brings us together. Distance cannot stop learning. Love makes learning beautiful. Thank you to my teacher for helping me grow. Thank you to my parents for helping me every day. My name is Aisha Hidaya MA. I am an online student. Today I feel big and happy. Thank you.